ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant Canto 39, Story of Yogamaya. भवन्तमयमुद्वहनयदुकुलोद्वहो निःसरणा ददर्श गगनोचलजलभरां कलिन्दात्मजाम् अहो सलिसञ्चयः स पुनरेन्द्र जालोदितो जलौदैव तक्षणात् प्रपदमयतामाययौ. Proceeding with tea in his arms, Vasudeva, the leader of the Yadu clan, saw before him the swollen Kalindi, whose waters seemed to touch the skies. But lo, as he crossed it, all that water came only up to his ankles, as if it were all an illusory flood caused by magic. प्रसुप्त पशुपालिका निभृत मारुदद्वालिकां पावृतकवाटिकां पशुपवाटिकामविशन भवन्तमयं पर्यण प्रसवतल्पके तत्प्रदाद्वहन् कपटकन्यकां सपुरमागतो वेगतः. Entering the covered chieftain's house, whose doors were all wide open and whose female inhabitants were fast asleep, Vasudeva placed thee on the labor cot and took from there into his hand the seeming female infant, Yogamaya, and quickly proceeded to his house. तत्सवतनुचार वक्षपितनिद्रवेगद्रवद भटोत्कर निवेदित प्रसववातर्ये वार्तिमान विमुक्त चिकरोत्कर स्तवरित मापतन भोजराद्यतुष्ट इव दृष्टवान भगिनी काकरे कन्यकाम्. Awakened by the cries of thy sister, the prison guards hastened to inform Kamsa of the childbirth, whereupon, stricken with fear, he rushed to the spot with disheveled hair, but was surprised and confused to find a girl in his sister's hand, not knowing how she could be his expected antagonist. ध्रुवं कपटशालिनो मधुहरस्य माया भवेद साविति किशोरिकां भगिनिका करालिङ्गगितां दिपो नलिनी कान्तरादिवमृणालिका माक्षिप्पनयं तदनुजामजामुपलक्पटके पिष्टवान्. Convinced that the adoption of the form of a female child was a trick of the deceitful Vishnu, Kamsa pulled out the tender infant, the beginningless Mahamaya manifesting as thy sister, from the tight embrace of Devaki, even as an elephant pulls out a tender lotus stalk from a pond and dashed it on a rocky slab. ततो भवदुपासको झटिति मृत्युपाशादिव प्रमुच्य तरसैव सा समधिरूढरूपान्तरा अधस्थलमजमक्षि विकसतष्टबाहुस्फुरन् महायुद्धमहो गता किल विहाय सादिद्युते. Liberating herself at once from the clutches of Kamsa, just as thy votary does from the noose of death, she rose up and shone in the sky up above the earth, transfiguring herself into a goddess of 8 arms, wielding divine weapons. निशंसतरकं सते किमु मया पष्ट्या बभूव भवदन्तकः क्वचन चिन्त्यतां ते हितम् इति तदनुजा विभो करमुदीर्य तं जग्मुषि मरुदगणपणायिता भुवि च मन्दिराण्येयुषि. O cruel-hearted Kamsa, of what avail is it to you to dash me on the stone? Your destroyer is already on elsewhere. Look then to your own safety. Addressing the debased villain Kamsa, thus thy sister Mahamaya departed to her abode amidst the praises of the Devas, while manifesting herself at the same time in many holy places on earth for worship by devotees. Prage punaragatmaja vachanamrita bubujaha pralambhavaka bhutana pramukhadanavamaninaha भवन्निधनकाम्यया जगति बभ्रमुर्मुनिर्भया कुमारका विमारकाः विमिव दुष्करं निष्कृपैः. In the morning, Kamsa conveyed the words of Mahamaya, the daughter of the mountains, to his haughty demonic allies like Pralamba, Baka, Putana and others, who, intent on thy destruction, began to stalk the land, killing infants wholesale. Indeed, no cruelty is too much for the merciless. ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्दनन्दप्रिया प्रसूतिशयने शयैरुदति किञ्चिदञ्चपदे विबुध्य वनिता जने स्तनय सम्भवे जोर्घोषते मुदा किमु वदाम्यहो सकलमाकुलं गोकुलम्. O Lord, after that, as thou didst slightly kick thy legs and raise infant cries, lying on the labor bed of Nanda's wife, all the women folk were roused from sleep and they spread the news of the birth of a boy. The whole of Gokula was thrilled with waves of joy. अहो खलु यशोदया नवकलाय चेतोहरं भवन्तमलमन्तिके प्रथममाभिपन्त्यादृशा पुनः स्तनभरं निजं सपदि पाययन्त्यामुदा मनोहरतनुस्पृशा जगति पुण्यवन्तो जिताः. O wonder of wonders, all the meritorious and holy persons were surpassed by Yashoda as she first imbibed with her eyes thy form lying by her side like a fresh bud of kalaya flower. Next, as she joyously applied thee to her breast, and afterwards, as she caressed thy most lovely limbs again and again with her hands. भवत्कुशलकाम्यया स खलु नन्दगोपस्तदा प्रमोदभरसङ्गकुलो द्विजकुलाय किन्ना ददात्. तथैव पशुपालकाः किमु न मङ्गलं ते निरे जगत्हृदयं मङ्गल त्वमिह पाहि मामामयात्. Limitless were the gifts the overjoyed Nanda distributed among holy men for thy welfare. Numerous too were the auspicious rites and observances that the Gopas performed for thy sake. O harbinger of world's welfare, deign to save me from my ailments. The Canto 39 is completed. I will be back with Canto 40 in the coming week. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.